Hello guys, welcome to Bud of Knowledge. In this video we are going to start a topic on cell structure, parts, shape and size. First of all, we are about to discuss about the shape of a cell. Shape of a cell according to the functions they perform, cells assume to have different shapes. For example, nerve cells help in carrying messages in the body. These cells are long and have a branched head. Nerve cells are the longest cells in our body, their length can be more than a meter. Muscle cells are cylindrical or spindle-shaped. The white blood cells present in our blood can change their shape. This helps them to kill germs by engulfing them. Amoeba can also change its body shape. The pseudopodia helps the amoeba to capture its food and move from one place to another. Sizes of a cell. Different kinds of cells vary greatly in size. A typical cell has a diameter of approximately 0.01. Bacteria are much smaller. At present, they are the smallest known unicellular organisms. Mycoplasma gallisepticum is the smallest bacterium. Red blood cells are the smallest cells present in the human body. Some macroscopic cells also exist in nature. These are much larger than the average cell and can be easily seen through unaided eyes. The largest single cell in the world is an unfertilized egg of an ostrich. It can weigh up to 2.25 kilograms. The world's largest single-celled organism is an aquatic alga. It is also called Calpera taxifolia. It can get up to 6 to 12 feet. Parts of a cell. Despite so much variation in their form and structure, all cells have the similar basic structural plan. Cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm are the several common features of cells. The cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin layer that holds the cell together. It is porous and semi-permeable in nature. It selectively allows the movement of substances into and out of the cell. It also gives the shape to the cell. The cell wall. It is an additional wall outside the cell membrane. It is present in plant cells, fungi and bacteria. It is absent in animal cells. The cell wall is important for plants since they do not have a skeleton for support and protection. They cannot move to escape environmental stress. It gives shape, offers protection and provides rigidity to the plant cell. The cell wall is made up of a natural substance called cellulose. The cytoplasm of a cell. Most part of the cell consists of the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance inside the cell. The cytoplasm has the nucleus and various other cellular components which are called cell organelles. The cell organelles include mitochondria, ribosomes, plastids, Golgi bodies and others. All metabolic activities takes place within the cytoplasm and it is responsible for storing and releasing energy. The nucleus of a cell. The nucleus is a spherical body present inside a cell. It acts like the control center of the cell. The nucleoplasm. The nucleus contains a thick, jelly-like substance called the nucleoplasm. The nuclear membrane. The nucleus is separated from the rest of the cell by a nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane is porous and allows the movement of substances between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The nucleolus, a small spherical structure, is present inside the nucleus, called nucleolus. It plays an important role in protein synthesis. The chromatin. The nucleus also have a thread-like network called chromatin. It organizes itself into rod-like structures when the cell has to divide. The chromosomes. The chromatin organize itself into rod-like structures when the cell has to divide. These rod-like structures are called chromosomes. Every species has a number of fixed chromosomes. Human beings have 46 chromosomes in each of their cells. DNA. The chromosomes contain the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, inside them. The DNA forms the hereditary material in most organisms. The genes. Each module of DNA has several genes in it. Genes are units of inheritance. We resemble our parents in various aspects because we have inherited some characteristics with them. This happens because of different combinations of genes that we inherit. Based on the type of nucleus, a cell can be prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. A prokaryotic cell does not have a nuclear membrane around the nucleus. The nucleus in this case is referred to as a nucleoid. Bacteria and mycoplasmas are examples of prokaryotic cells. Cells of other organisms, including all plants and animals, are eukaryotic since they have a true nucleus that is bound by a well-defined nuclear membrane. So guys, this is all for today. I will be uploading my next video on cell organelles, comparison of plant and animal cells and cell division soon. Till then, bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe this channel. Do like, comment and share my videos to your favorite ones.